Well, we did a quick tune-up on Gator. Put all new plugs in it, and I switched some wires around. I had one plug getting a little wet. Might have to take the injectors to send them off and have them clean, but it's running a lot better. A little bit of a belt chirp, but I think it'll be alright. Had these crappy auto lights in it. Guys, if you're running LS based engines, I'm telling you, so far the best plug I've found to run these LS motors is the NGK TR55 3951 part number. They do really good. They're a hot plug. I mean, as you can tell, she's running pretty good. Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later.